What's up, Marcus R20 here. So, I'm gonna be unboxing Chill Out Scooby-Doo original movie and Stuart Little 1 and 2, and also Pop Games Tiny Tiger figure. Let's get this unboxing started. Okay, so I got my scissors. So get the wrapping off, quite frankly. And it's no joke. The Mystery Incorporated cruise really gets frozen with the fright. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox as well. And yeah, so these are double feature, and so yeah, and oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing the. I apologize. Okay, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.